안녕하세요. Okay. So, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Okay. Mato pa kang eskwelahan karon. Okay. So your birthday is in 5th of
4 kuya.
4 December.
December 4.
December 4. Okay, sakto. Okay, I'm here to deliver. You have here 15,000 pesos.
Wow.
Okay. Please count, Inday.
15.
Okay. So on your birthday, you're going to buy lechon and also other food expenses. Okay ra? And also you have bugas for your preparation. Okay. And excluding kuan na Inday ha. Cake, ayog palit og cake.
Okay.
Okay, and also 2,000 pesos for jello uma.
Thank you.
Please receive. Dongan lang mo duha te. Okay, Kim Yong Sunim.
Kim Yong 1, 2, 3. Kim Yong Sunim, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Mo take og video sa inyong balay ate. Okay ra ate. Okay, second floor ba og first floor? Okay, bye-bye.